Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for any business owner, CGL insurance or commercial general liability insurance. If you're not sure what it is or why you need it, stick around because we'll break it down in simple terms. Plus, I've got some real-life claims examples that will make you see just how important it is to have the right coverage. Alright, first things first, what exactly is CGL insurance? In simple terms, it's a policy that covers your business for claims of bodily injury, property damage, and advertising injury. It's your safety net when things go wrong. And trust me, things can go wrong, even when you least expect it. Imagine this. A customer walks into your store, slips on a wet floor, and ends up in the hospital with a broken leg. Suddenly, you're looking at a hefty lawsuit. Here's a real-world example that will make you think twice. In 2014, a woman sued a department store after slipping on a freshly mopped floor that wasn't properly marked. She broke her ankle, and the store ended up paying over $1 million to cover medical expenses and damages. Slip and fall incidents are one of the most common reasons businesses get sued. This is a classic bodily injury claim covered by CGL insurance. Without a policy in place, you could be paying these enormous costs out of pocket. Next up, property damage. Let's say you're a contractor and while doing some renovations, you accidentally damage the client's property. Here's another real claim. In 2018, a construction company accidentally caused a small fire at a client's home while using a blowtorch. The fire damaged the roof and part of the interior, leading to damages worth over $500,000. Luckily, their CGL insurance stepped in to cover those costs. This is a perfect example of a property damage claim. These things happen, even when you're careful. But with CGL insurance, the contractor didn't have to pay out of pocket for such an expensive mistake. Here's one people often forget about: advertising injury. Let's say you launch a marketing campaign and accidentally infringe on a competitor's trademark or use copyrighted content without permission. Suddenly, you're hit with a lawsuit. Now let's talk about advertising injury. You might think it's rare, but it's more common than you realize. A real-life case from 2019 involved a small digital marketing company being sued by a competitor for using a similar slogan. The court awarded the competitor $250,000 in damages. Not something you want to deal with, right? But CGL insurance can cover legal fees and settlements for advertising injury claims like this one. Whether it's unintentional copyright infringement or defamation, this part of your policy can save you from a financial nightmare. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Do I really need CGL insurance? I've never had a claim before. But the truth is, no one sees these situations coming. And when something does go wrong, you'll be glad you're covered. The cost of not having insurance? That could be your entire business. So, how do you choose the right CGL insurance? Here are a few key things to consider. Make sure your policy covers what you actually need. Always read the fine print. What's not covered can surprise you. Know how easy or difficult it is to file a claim? Does your business need extra coverage like professional liability or cyber insurance? There you have it. CGL insurance might not be the most exciting topic, but it's one of the most important things you can invest in for your business. Whether it's a slip and fall, property damage, or an ad that went wrong, CGL has your back. In our next video, we will dive deep into coverages, add-ons available, and exclusions in the CGL policy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay covered and stay smart.